What is the meaning of Pakistan? Holy Land. When the name Pakistan was first used and by whom? On 28 February 1933 by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. What is the governmental name of Pakistan? Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Islami Jamhuriya, Pakistan. Who designed Pakistan's national flag? Amiruddin Khidri. Which military alliance had Pakistan as its member? SSO-II. Which is the national animal of Pakistan? Markhor. Which is the national bird of Pakistan? Chakor. Name the capital of Pakistan. Islamabad. What is the area of Pakistan? 7,96,096 square kilometer. What is area of Islamabad? 906 kilometer. Name the highest peak of Pakistan. K2 mountain. Name the lowest place in Pakistan. Karachi. How is Pakistan's film industry known? Lollywood. Which is the longest and biggest river of Pakistan? River of Sindh. It is 296 square kilometer long. Which are the popular rivers of Punjab? Jhelum, Ravi, Satluj, and Ravi, river of Chenab. Which are the popular rivers of Balochistan? River of Angol, Blan, Zob, and river of Pishin. Which are the popular rivers of KP? River of Swat, Kabul, Kunhar, Gomal. Which is the national language of Pakistan? Urdu. According to population, which is the largest city of Pakistan? Karachi. According to population, which is the smallest city of Pakistan? Ziyarat. How many languages are spoken in Pakistan? 32. Which are the well-known language of Pakistan? Urdu, Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, Balochi, Saraiki, Buroi, Kashmiri. When Pakistan became the member of United Nations? 30 December 1947. Which is the oldest library of Pakistan? Punjab Public Library. 1882 Lahore. Where is the biggest shoes factory in Pakistan? Lahore. Which park is the biggest and first park of Pakistan and where it is? Ayub National Park. It is situated in Rawalpindi and area is 930 hectares. Which was the first movie of Pakistan? Teri Yaad. It was showed on the day of Eid on 18 August 1948. Which was the first colorful movie of Pakistan? The first colorful movie of Pakistan was Sangam. Which was the first Punjabi movie of Pakistan? The first Punjabi movie of Pakistan was Fari. It was showed on 3 August 1949. Which was the first Pashto movie of Pakistan? Yusuf Khan Sher Bano. When Islamabad became the capital of Pakistan and who was the chairman of the commission? 1960 and General Yahya Khan was chairman of the commission. The biggest Gallantry Award of Pakistan is Nishane-Haider when it was started. Nishane-Haider was started on 16 March in 1957. Which Pakistani president first went to Russia? Ayub Khan first went to Russia. When Pakistan got freedom, at that time, how many universities were in Pakistan? Only two universities. Where are these two places? Boston and Gulistan in Pakistan. Boston is in district Pishan and Gulistan is in district Kila, Abdullah, Balochistan. What is the meaning of Urdu? How many alphabets are in Urdu language? The word Urdu comes from Turkish, which means Lashkar group. Name some popular Urdu newspaper of Pakistan. Daily Jang, Daily Express. Name some popular English newspaper of Pakistan. Dawn, Nation, The News, Pakistan Today, Tribune.